Hi, you might be wondering why I look like this. And it's because I'm perming my hair today. It's the first time I perm my hair, and perming means making my hair curly. And when my mom curls my hair, I have to wait and sit still for a very long time. Just now, I hair dried my hair for like 2 minutes or something. And now I have to wait. And now I'm done perming my hair. I'm curling my hair. And now I'm gonna neutralize my hair. This is to protect my face. Oh. Neutralizer is the liquid, and this is to catch the liquid. Turned out better than I thought. It's super pretty. Okay, and I really like it. It's my mom's first time, and she did great. Like, great. Like, super good. And don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Bye!